Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to my funk bag tutorial. What's in the funk bag today? Brick House by the Commodores on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll start with the main part of the song, which is in the intro and the choruses. It'll sound something like this. In order to play that, we're going to go up to an octave C here at the 10th fret, like this. Strike it like this. Down, up, and slide it down the neck. Then we'll go to the 7th fret and play a B minor, and then 5th fret and play an A minor. Now this is confined to the high strings of the guitar, like that. Okay? Then we'll go up to a C, strike it twice, then go back to the B minor and the A minor, like this. Here we go. So we did our octave slide, B minor to A minor, C twice, B minor to A minor, and we're going to repeat that throughout the tune. Next we'll play the verse chords, and they'll sound something like this. For the verse chords, we're going to go to an A minor this way, and we're going to be plugging in our pinky on the B string at fret 7, like this. Then we'll move it up fret. So we've got an A minor, and then we've got an A minor 6, and then an A minor 7. Here we go again. Then we'll go back into our main groove. Now we've got one more thing to play, and that is our bridge, and it'll go something like this. Now for our bridge, we're going to go to a B minor 7, and we're going to strike it like this. A double strike, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it down now. Shake it down now. Shake it down now. Shake it down, down. Shake it down now. Shake it down now. Shake it down now. Shake it down, shake it, brick. And then we'll go back to our octave, and we'll go back into the tune. And you know what? That's another funk bag tutorial coming at you from Eric Blackman Music. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.